This is a tutorial on how to use the HackHub platform after creating an account to host a hackathon. As you can see, this is the front page of the HackHub website, and you can see all the events that are already created and that are ongoing. To start creating your event, you simply click this button, Create a New Event. Here you have to just put in some basic information about your hackathon to get started. You can even put a custom slug to have a custom hackathon page named after your event or any other identifying factor of your event. After you've done that, you'll be able to see your event here, and it'll have this tab which indicates that it is your event. You can then click on that image, and then you are brought to the front page which everybody sees for your event. Here you can see various different tabs which you can edit after managing your event and going to the back end. When going to the back end, you can see there are various different tabs and different things that you can edit which are pertinent to your event, whether it's an online or in-person hackathon. To start off, the event details is the first tab that we see when brought to the event page. Here you can edit your event name, you can upload a custom banner, a custom cover image for your event, and you can edit various details and input various details about your event. You can also change the team size and the event type that you have. You can change whether it's a public or private hackathon. You can also change screening to be able to edit and view different aspects of your attendees which you ask for in a different tab where you design the application form on the HackHub website. You also get a preview of what the details page will look like on your HackHub page. You can even put rules if there are any specific rules, if it's a high school hackathon, or if there's any other pertinent details that attendees must know of before signing up. The next tab is the Learning Resources. Here you can add anything that's pertinent to your event, whether it's a brief for your theme, whether it's any word from your sponsors, or anything else that is pertinent or important to display to your participants. You can put a custom URL for something in Google Drive. You can upload a file for any type of PDF, or you can simply plop whatever you need in the description and give it a title. The next tab is the Judging Criteria. Here you can put custom judging criteria, and you can name it for whatever you need, whether it's creativity, design, and you can give different parts of your judging criteria different weights. So something like the prototype may be given more points than something like design or creativity. Moving on, here you can add descriptions of the different awards that will be presented. You can put limits on the awards, you can name the award, and add other pertinent details, and even give a URL to find more information about a reward or an award if it's pertinent. You can also add different themes which are going to be presented during your event. You can put any type of information that is needed in the Themes tab, and you can even make it mandatory, or it can be an optional theme. The next slide is the attendees, where you can actually monitor and see different aspects of the attendees, which includes the participants, judges, mentors, and volunteers, all of which can sign up through the HackHub page. You can also directly add participants via their emails, or you can import a CSV file which it can be downloaded from an external spreadsheet or another site like Eventbrite. All your attendees will be put here, as well as the role that they have signed up for. You will also see that there is a check-in number. So when your event starts, you will be able to directly see the amount of participants that you should be having, as well as the amount of participants that will check in. Here you can also edit a custom application form. So you can make it, you can have a common part of the application which every single person has to fill out, and then you can edit things for different types of attendees, whether they're participant, judge, mentor, or volunteer. You can also see that you can add custom questions. You'll see here the type of question or the format in which the question is presented, and here you can see the field name or the type of question that's being asked. In the screening, you can see all your attendees and other application details or things that you have included. And this must be turned on in the Event Details tab. When your hackathon's going on, you can also see the submissions that people submit. This page will also show the scores that each submission gets. In the Teams tab, you can also see the different teams, the team creator, and other details about the groups that are made on the HackHub platform. Finally, you also have the choice to send out announcements. Depending on the type of information you collect from your participants, you can send them information in different ways. You can also select who to send it to and edit any kind of content you need to put in that announcement. Finally, in the settings page, you can look at other important back-end things, such as adding different managers to edit your HackHub page, or you can look at the different tickets that have been bought and different important details that may be pertinent to the billing of the participants. And you can also enable different features such as participants checking in for themselves, giving the participants a countdown to the submission, and add other specialized tools. Overall, once you've made any edits you see fit, you can click the preview to see what your event page will look like. As you can see, we have our details here, and once you put once people start signing up, as well as once you put learning resources and other things, you can start to see your page build up. Next, let's take a look at what participants see and also how to sign up for a team and how to join a team so you better understand the way that participants are using HackHub. Once the participant has created a HackHub account, they'll be able to see this front page as well and see all the different hackathons that are happening. To sign up for a hackathon, they simply have to click on a hackathon that's open and available for application. They will then see the price of the hackathon and have the option to join now. To join the team, they have two different options. They can either join an already existing team or they can create a team. Creating a team, they can indicate the team size, the team name, as well as give different tags for the skills that they need on their team, whether it's a certain type of coding language, or it's a need for UI or UX design. There can also be any kind of custom tags that are put on there. They can also put a project description to tell other participants what they are currently working on. All participants will be able to see the different teams that are created, as well as the amount of members that are needed and the different tags that they have put. They will also be able to see the different learning resources that have been given by the hackathon organizer or yourself. They can also see, once the hackathon is finishing, all the different submissions made as a result of the hackathon. That is a basic tutorial on how to use the HackHub platform. We hope that you use our platform as much as you can to complement your event and make it run as smoothly and greatly as it can. Hope to see you around and happy hacking!